The Ethernet ports would have to be secured in order for that.
This right here?
Yes.
That's a port for set-pop device. Set-pop device for somebody who's paralyzed.
So there's, well, it's still electronic signal.
Pardon me?
It's still an electronic signal. The device that you would read into provides electronic signal, which is coupled in through this Ethernet style RJ-45 port.
Yeah.
So the RJ-45 port internally is connected to a ballot transfer.
I'm not sure if it's an RJ-45.
I'll tell you, it's an RJ-45.
But I know it's for 88.
Yeah, I understand what you're saying, but somebody with a similar RJ-45 connector and a device that has been hacked could actually enter through the access port, RJ-45 port, Ethernet port, whatever you'd like to call it, because the Ethernet port operates on what's called a PHY inside. The semiconductor is a PHY. The PHY has two lines on it called an MII line, which initiate that PHY. If I know the software or source code, I could feed through here within a matter of a few minutes and find the MII line, and I could take control of the physical semiconductor. So to be thoroughly,
I'm not sure if that's how that is actually configured.